Welcome to another class. Today we discuss which is more important, that is the DNA, okay, and the molecular basis of inheritance. Let us start. Okay, firstly introduction. What are the two type of nucleic acid which are found in living organism? Means DNA and RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA means ribonucleic acid. What acts as a genetic material in most of our living organism? It is a question. Okay, means DNA. Why DNA in coming class? Why not RNA is the most of the living organism? The genetic material is not RNA. That we study in upcoming class. The virus that acts as a genetic material other than DNA. Okay, in virus the genetic material is RNA. Okay, list of some functions of RNA. It is nothing but a messenger, catalytic molecule, and the types of RNA in upcoming class we study. Okay, nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are the macromolecules. Okay, macromolecules. These are not micromolecules. These are micromolecules present in all living cells. Okay, Frederick Mischer, the scientist, is very important. Frederick Mischer was the first person isolated the nucleic acid from pus cells. Okay, he called it as a nucleon. Okay, he called it as a nucleon. The Frederick Mischer is a very important scientist, and it has acid nature. Hence, Altman called a nucleic acid. And next scientist is Altman, and he is called as a nuclein. It is a nucleic acid. Then two types of nucleic acid found in living organism are deoxy and ribonucleic acid. Okay, DNA and RNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, DNA. Genetic material of all living organism carries the coded information from one generation to another generation. That we know. Okay. Then eukaryotic cell DNA is found in nucleus. Okay. Eukaryotic cell found in nucleus DNA. But in case of prokaryotes, they are found in cytoplasm. Okay. It is the chief component of chromosome. Okay. DNA also found in the mitochondria and chloroplast. Okay, this is a special condition. So some organelles have special type of DNA they have in them. Long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. Okay, length of DNA, number of nucleotides. Okay, depends on number of nucleotides. Length of DNA, pair of nucleotide, then also base pairs. Okay. The bacteriophage, and this bacteriophage is very important. It contains of 174 to 5386 nucleotides, and that of human DNA 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs. Okay, 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs in human. And structure of polynucleotide chain. What are the structure of polynucleotides? Mainly DNA and RNA are made up of polynucleotide chain. Okay, then nucleotide, mainly they have the three components. One is nitrogenous base, a pentose sugar. Sugar is very important. Therefore DNA and RNA, the D and R are mainly because of the sugar. Okay, deoxy means without oxygen, and ribose or sugar. In place of there are a methyl group. Okay, and structure we study deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar. In RNA ribose sugar, and in DNA deoxyribose. Okay, then phosphate group. Phosphate group is very important. It link to phosphate group acts as a linkage between two nitrogen base and the pentose sugar. Okay, nitrogenous base, nothing but nitrogen containing compound, nitrogen base. Two types of, mainly purines and pyrimidines. Okay, and in purines there are adenine and guanine. Ag means pyrimidines, cytosine, uracil, thymine. In case of purines and pyrimidines there are two types. Okay, In purines, adenine as and guanine, and that of pyrimidine, cytosine, and uracil, and thymine. Okay, adenine, guanine, and cytosine both have DNA and RNA. These are the main three base pairs. Okay, purines and pyrimidines nitrogenous base. They both present in the three. Okay, adenine and guanine cytosine are present in both in DNA and RNA as well. Okay, and thymine, this is very important. Thymine is only present in DNA, and that of uracil is present in RNA. In RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. Okay, or uracil is replaced by thymine. Nitrogen base linked to pentose sugar through N-glycosidic linkage nucleoside. Okay, this is very important. The linkage bond N-glycosidic linkage nucleotide. Nitrogenous base to the pentose sugar is linked through N-glycosidic linkage. Okay.